What's up, traders? So today I'm going to show you an option strategy that I absolutely love and I've been collecting a ton of gains on recently. And we will look at a potential trade for this option strategy using SoFi within the Moomoo platform. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Rashad. I am a full-time options trader and I bring in the bulk of my income from the stock market. Now, of course, before we begin, I need you to do me a huge favor. You already know, take your phone, take your laptop, and go ahead and smash that like button. And that just helps push the video out to more people. And do remember that this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor, nor is this a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any equities or option contracts. All trading comes with risk. Now, of course, before we begin, I always start with the word from God that has to deal with money, wealth building, or business. And this one will come from Hebrews 13:5, and it says, keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have, because God has said, never will I leave you, never will I forsake you. All right, quite simply, do not fall in love with money. We just need to use it as a tool in order to buy our freedom back. And what we should be in love with is the source and not the outcome. All right, so love God, not money. But speaking of people who are absolutely using money as a tool to buy their freedom back, I have to shout out members of the Trade to Freedom community. So first up, we have Lee Joe. He says, thanks, coach. Your group continues to be life-changing. I still have a lot to learn, and there are several people here I really look up to and hope to emulate one day. I'm currently transitioning between my personal and LLC accounts. Thank you for the guidance on the LLC information. I ended the month up $14,610. Now, mind you, this was after he did about $36,000 last month. And it's gotten to the point this year where he's made so much money because he started with us early in the year that he has now had to start a trading LLC to try to minimize some of those tax problems, because we all know making too little money is a problem, but also making too much money can also be a problem as well. So shout out to you, Lee Joe, for the LLC and the gains. And then we have Chandra here, who is part of our 0DTE day trading community. And you can see they made $6,652 in just one day with our trades. And so shout out to you, Chandra. And then I have to shout out the same person again because they came right back the very next day and made $1,921. And then Steven says, first red day since August 30th, tried to cut some losses only to see the day turn green in the end. C'est la vie. Well, to have one red day in the span of about a month and a half, Steven, I think you're doing okay. All right. And Steven actually made over $205,000 in the month of October, and they got really close to our current record within the community of $229,000. So I think he can handle a red day. All right, but if you know anybody who would like to trade to freedom, tell them about the community. The link is below in the description. They'll get access to my trades as soon as I enter them. They'll get the full options course, access to ask me questions at any given time, and they'll be within a community of other members who all have the exact same goal. And so if you know anybody, the link is below in the description. But with that, let's get down to business. Now, SoFi is an amazing company and an amazing stock. And if you followed my channel for any amount of time, you know that I am very bullish on SoFi. And I typically always have a trade on it. Now, some news that came out just this morning was SoFi is officially back in the crypto game. All right, you can now buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrency within SoFi. And so let's go ahead and read the article. It says cryptocurrency has officially made its return to SoFi Technologies. The company on Tuesday announced the launch of SoFi Crypto, a platform allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold dozens of digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. A phased-out rollout begins today and will extend to more members over the coming weeks, SoFi said. With the new product, SoFi has become the first national chartered consumer bank to allow members to buy, sell, and hold crypto, the company said. And the CEO said, the blockchain allows us to create new channels for sending payments that are cheaper, faster, and safer. He described crypto as a better technology we can drive more innovation from. And so what can you say about SoFi? They're really trying to be like the Amazon of the finance world. Okay, they really want to be your one-stop shop, whatever you want to do. You know, they recently upgraded their options trading and now they have cryptocurrency as well, along with being a regular bank and a million different loan products. They are really trying to be your one-stop shop. And so over the long run, I am definitely bullish on SoFi, but let me show you another strategy that you could use in any bullish situation. The strategy that I want to show you is called the covered strangle. Now, what is the covered strangle? Well, the covered strangle is just a combination of selling a put and selling a covered call. All right. And the objective of this would be to collect premium from both sides of the coin and to do that at the exact same time. And so you can see the P&L graph for a covered strangle here, but it is a neutral to bullish strategy. And so you can see as a stock price were to rise, it will be capped at a certain point. And then as a stock price were to drop, it would be tapered and then the losses would go down at an angle. But let me give you some more information. Now, a covered strangle is like the fraternal twin of the wheel strategy. Okay, if you understand the wheel strategy, then you understand the covered strangle. Because the only difference between the two is the wheel strategy, you're selling puts and selling calls at two different times. But with the covered strangle, you are selling the puts and selling the covered call at the exact same time. Now, why would you use a covered strangle? Well, one, obviously to make more money. That's always the goal, right? And then it is a good downside buffer due to the money that you receive from the covered call side. But this is a strategy that you would only want to use in a neutral to bullish market on a stock that you are bullish on. All right, you would not want to do this strategy in a falling market. That would not be wise. And this is how it would work. So let's suppose we have ABC stock, which is currently trading for $30. Well, what we could do is we could sell a put at $25. And for doing so, we could collect, let's say, around $100. All right. And for selling the put, we are just agreeing to buy the shares of the company if the stock price were to drop below 25 by our expiration date. And for doing so, we are collecting $100 total. And then we would need to buy 100 shares. If we do not already have 100 shares, then we could buy it at that time. And so the stock price is currently $30. So we will buy 100 shares. And then we can come down here and sell a call. And for this example, we'll use the $31 strike. And for doing so, we'll collect about $200 for that. All right, so for the total trade, we've collected $300 in premium. And then since we bought the shares at $30 and we're selling a call at $31, that gives us $1 of potential capital appreciation. And so that would be $100 in total. So collectively, we could make about $400 in total if the stock price were to rise from $30 where it's at now to anywhere above 31. But now let's look at all the scenarios of what would happen based on where the stock price were to end. All right, so our first outcome would be if the stock were to close above $31, then the shares would be called away because remember for the covered call, we are just agreeing to sell the shares at that price. And so if the stock price were to end above $31, then the shares will be called away, which simply means you are selling your shares and we get to keep all that premium and capital appreciation. So in this case, we would make $400 per contract. And so this is the outcome that we typically would like. But then another outcome would be if it closes between $26 and $31. Well, in this case, we get to keep the shares of the stock and we get to keep all that premium that we collected. And then we could turn around and sell another covered strangle since we already have the shares. And so that could be an outcome that you would like if you really like the company and really want to hold on to the shares. But then the third option would be if the stock price closes below $26, well, then we are assigned more shares because we sold puts at 26 and we agreed to buy more shares if it were below that price. And so in this case, we would be buying more shares at $26. And in this case, this could also be something that you wanted because now you're kind of dollar cost averaging down on a stock that you really like. And then you could turn around and do a covered strangle again using your new cost basis for the shares. And so this strategy has huge money-making potential, especially when done on a stock that you are actually bullish on and actually would not mind owning. Okay, and so that is how it's done with shares, but you can also do this type of strategy with a leaps contract. However, what you'll need to do in that situation is move your call strike a little further out of the money. But in summary, the covered strangle is good to use in neutral to bullish markets with stocks that have support or momentum, right? They need to be showing bullish momentum. Stock that you are comfortable with assignment, you're okay with buying more shares, but you would not want to do this on a weak stock that is continuously falling, all right? And so you want to make sure that the stock fits all of those criteria before you were to open up a covered strangle on it. Now, what are the risks? Well, you must buy 100 shares if you were to be assigned, right? If the stock price were to drop below your sold put, then you would be forced to buy more shares. However, if you're doing it on a stock that you really like, that you wouldn't mind owning, well, that doesn't really matter anyway, does it? All right, upside capped at the call strike. So in the case of the example that we just used, we sold that call at $31. So if the stock price were to skyrocket to like, let's say 60, then you don't get that extra upside potential because you have agreed to sell those shares at $31. All right, you would get a loss if the stock drops very hard, and it can be capital heavy if you are planning on using a ton of contracts. But of course, how much money you need to use is based on the actual stock price of whatever stock that you're trading. But with that, let's go ahead and head on over to Moomoo and look at a potential trade. But first, I have to give a huge shout out to the sponsors of this video, Moomoo. Now, beyond just being an amazing brokerage and one that has tools way better than most brokerages that I know, right now they have one of the most amazing sign-up offers as well. When you open up an account using the link below in the description, not only can you get up to $1,000 of NVDA stock, but you can also get up to an 8.1% APY on your idle funds. And that is just crazy. But what was just added, they added in an additional $100 cash reward. When you open up an account using my link below in the description, you will not find this anywhere else. So make sure that you take advantage of this. But on top of all of that, their mobile platform is next level. Taking a look at their mobile app, so you can see here, you can see a lot of general information such as earnings and earnings calendars and earnings beats and economic calendars. However, what I like most is this investment theme. So if we click on investment themes, here they categorize stocks based on what they're impacted by. And so what I like most is this one that's called Nancy Pelosi Portfolio. Now, if you're not familiar, Nancy Pelosi is a US Congresswoman, and she seems to always select the right stocks right at the right time. And so Mumu conveniently put all the stocks that she is currently investing in right here on this list for you to see. And so if you just wanted to follow what Nancy Pelosi is doing, you could follow this investment theme in Mumu. But go ahead, check it out. The link is below in the description. You can get up to 60 free stocks, and you can only get that with this link. So go ahead and click it, and you can thank me later. All right, so here we are at the options chain. And what I want to do is I want to select a date that is within 45 days. And so let's come over here. Let's say I select this date that's 38 days out from now. Well, what I want to do is I want to look at this expected move. So the expected move says plus or minus $4.78. And so the expected move is just the largest move that the options market currently has priced in for that stock by that date. So they're saying worst case scenario, SoFi moves up $4.78 38 days from now, or moves down $4.78 38 days from now. And so I may likely select strikes that are right around that expected move. And so on the put side over here, we can see that the stock price is currently $30.69. And so I may want to come down to this like $25, $26 area. And let's go ahead and do the $26 mark. Right, and we can see we'll collect anywhere between $81 to $82 per contract for selling this put. So I'll go ahead and select that. But now I need to come down to the call side and select my strike for that. And so we'll kind of follow the exact same process. And now I'll just kind of add the expected move of $4.78 to the current price of $30.75. It's literally going up as I'm recording this video, and that would put me around this $35 mark. Now, on the cover call side, it gets fun because you can really be as aggressive with your strike as you would like, because you can see we'll make about $118 to $121 per contract for selling this $35 strike. But what if you want to focus a little bit more on the options premium as opposed to the capital appreciation of the stock? Well, you could come way up here. You could select the $31 strike if you want. And actually, you could come up and sell an in the money cover call as well, which will give you even more downside protection. But I'll discuss that a little further in a different video. But let's say you're fine with selling this $32 strike and collecting anywhere between $212 to $225 per contract. So let's go ahead and select that. Okay, so we have both our put and our call strike. And the last thing I need to do is just go ahead and add the shares to this, assuming we don't already own shares of SoFi. So I'll go ahead and add 100 shares there. And for the purposes of this video, we'll just do one contract. But of course, you can scale it up however you see fit. Oop, actually, I selected the 31. Let me select the 32. All right, now if we come up here to the P&L curve, all right, so we can see here we bought SoFi at $30.85, and we're selling the $32 call and the $26 put. And we can see if SoFi were to be anywhere above $32, which is just $1.14 away from where it's at currently right here, right now, then we will get $411 of profit. All right, so we get all of that premium that we received from the put, all the premium we received from the call, and we'll get that bit of capital appreciation as well, which would equate to about $411, or well, the prices are moving as I'm recording this video, so $415 now. And we can see from this trade that our break-even price would be $27.84. And then of course, if the stock price were to continue to drop, then the contracts are worth less and less and less, and we may need to purchase more shares at that $26 strike. But of course, if you are bullish on SoFi in the long run, then that's just a good thing because you're buying shares at a discount. And if that happens, you'll turn around and do the same thing over again and continue to collect that premium. But that is it for this video. Let me know in the description below if you plan on using this strategy at all. And if you're looking for a cool community to join, come join us. We would love for you to trade to freedom with us. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.